Welcome to Through the Bible. Our next book in the Bible is the book of Psalms. Psalms are a collection of poems written by different authors like Moses, David, Asaph, descendants of Korah, Solomon, Ethan and Heman, the Ezrahites, and some of the Psalms the authors are not known. These psalms were the ancient hymnal of God's people. They express the emotion of the individual poet to God or about God. Today, we will look into some of David's psalms. The songs of David. Psalms 8, 9, 23, 51, 70, and 119. David is well known as the young man who overcame the giant Goliath with a stone from his sling. He was also a talented musician and a songwriter. After winning his battle with Goliath, David was invited to play his harp before King Saul, who was calmed by the beautiful music he played. David was skilled in writing songs of praise to God called Psalms. They were poems set to music. In the lyrics, David spoke of God's greatness. O Lord our God, the majesty and glory of your name fills all the earth and overflows the heavens. You have taught the little children to praise you perfectly. May their example shame and silence your enemies. Psalm 8, 1 and 2. When he was young, David cared for his father's sheep. He knew that God would care for him that way. The Lord is my shepherd. I have everything I need. Psalm 23. Even when walking through the dark valley of death, I will not be afraid, for you are close beside me, guiding all the way. Psalm 23:4. Some songs are prayers of forgiveness. O loving and kind God, have mercy, have pity upon me, and take away the awful stain of my sin. O wash me, cleanse me from this guilt, let me be pure again. Psalm 51, 1 and 2. Restore to me again the joy of your salvation and make me willing to obey you. Then I will teach your ways to other sinners, and they, guilty like me, will repent and return to you. Psalm 51, 12 to 13. Other psalms are prayers for help or rescue. I am in deep trouble. Rush to my aid, for only you can help and save me. O Lord, don't delay. Psalm 70, verse 5. David often sang about the importance of obeying God. How can a young man stay pure? By reading your word and following its rules. I have tried my best to find you. Don't let me wander off from your instructions. I have thought much about your words and stored them in my heart so that they would hold me back from sin. Psalm 119, verse 9 to 11. Open my eyes to see wonderful things in your word. I am but a pilgrim here on earth. How I need a map, and your commands are my chart and guide. I long for your instructions more than I can tell. Psalm 119, 18 to 20. Happy are all who perfectly follow the laws of God. Happy are all who search for God and always do His will, rejecting compromise with evil and walking only in His paths. Psalm 119, 1 to 3. I love your commandments more than the finest gold. Every law of God is right, whatever it concerns. I hate every other way. Psalm 119, verse 127. David wrote and sang many songs of praise and thanksgiving to God. I will be glad and rejoice in you. I will sing the praises of your name, O Most High. Psalm 9 verse 2.